Look guys, I built a monstrosity. So I have a classic PlayStation 2 Fat Edition, and I want to show you something. So, this video isn't fake, I swear. I would never do that to you guys. So, here we have my PS2. You know, everything works, see? Flip the switch. Oh, it's taking a while. Now it's off. And now it's on. I push the button, and we can see that I have made an abomination, which is this. It's the entire PlayStation 2 controller on a chip with one Atari-like joystick, and it works, actually. And today I'm going to be playing some Power Drome with it, because why the hell not? I'm not sure how you're going to hold it. And hold on, let me turn off the torch off. See that's actually lighting up. So we know the analog light's lighting up, which is a good sign. Look at that. You can see that it kind of mimics the D-pad, sort of. It's really weird. Look at how weirdly it controls. Like, look at this. Stop. I don't know. Oh, God. Oh, gosh. This is so stupid. Can I pick this? I guess not. Shift the gears manually. Well, that's shit. Fine, I'll do this. I'll do that. I don't even know anymore, man. Just please work for me. Oh, gosh. Oh. It says loading. And just to prove to you guys, this is plugged in right now. Look. You can see the full cord. Hold on. You can see the full cord. Stupid piece of crap. I hate this guy so much. I don't even know why I'm using him. Look. And you can see that it makes it turn, sort of, when I do that. Look. It makes me turn. Look. I just turned off the thingy. Look at this. This is literally so cool. It's like it's the entire controller mimicked on a single chip. I love that focus right there. Anyway, look. You go like this to steer. And it's kind of laggy, as we can see. But it does work. And I hope this video gets viral. Okay? But, look. It's the entire thing on a chip. Alright, you want to know how I did this? I smashed open a PlayStation controller, took this bit of the circuit board out, and boom, we got our own controller. Focus, damn it. Whatever. Let's keep on getting to the game now. So you can go. Just gonna screw around. Yeah, whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna focus on the screen right now. Oh. Let's go. No. Lap 2, somehow. I don't know how I got lap 2, but I did. Nice. I'm looking at the actual screen right now, instead of my phone screen. Whoa. Well, I'm trying to complete this now. Hold on. I'm looking at the screen right now. Oh, shoot. They all just went by me. No fair. How do I go fast? Woohoo. Well, I guess that's the end of it, guys. You can see that it's still going for some reason. Yeah, it's going crazy. Anyway, bye.